Hi, my name is Tony Castino. I'm a class of 2017 graduate. Currently, I'm a sophomore at the United States Military Academy at West Point. I decided to join the military because I felt that I really benefited from the freedoms and the privileges that America provided, especially in the Aurora, Naperville area. And I also feel that there is no real better way to give back or to preserve this freedom than through military service. What I like best about the military, specifically West Point, is how challenging the school is. It pushes me both physically and academically and is developing me as a leader, and I feel like there would really be no other institution that could make me who I am today. So thank you, and go Warriors.
I am Jeff Stewart, husband of Lupe and father of 3 current WVHS students, Eric, Jackie, and Maya. In 1975, immediately after graduating high school, I enlisted in the United States Air Force. I served in the security service as a foreign intelligence analyst. My motivation was to serve our country and also see the world. It was a life-changing, positive experience. I continue to be thankful for all of our servicemen and women for their bravery and their service to our country. It's because of them we enjoy the freedoms that we enjoy. And thank you, Waubonsie High School, for honoring our veterans.
Hi, I'm Sergeant First Class retired Samuel Martins. I am proud to be the grandfather of freshman Meredith Martins. I am also proud to have served our country in 2 wars, the Vietnam War and the Iraqi freedom. Thank you for having me.
Hi, my name is Beth Croning. I have 3 warriors, Mitchell, Mason, and Eleanor Croning. I was fortunate enough to serve in the military in the United States Air Force for 6.5 years. I was stationed in England during Desert Storm and then was stationed at O'Hare International Airport. It was an absolute honor to serve our country. Aim high.
Hello, my name is Lou Kelso. I am a Korean War veteran serving in the United States Navy in 1952. I have been a part of Warrior Nation for the past 18 years with my 6 grandchildren. I am very proud of serving my country, protecting our precious freedom we all have. Go Warriors!
My name is Clarence Spetzler. I joined the Navy in 1939, the Naval Reserve. I was called to active duty in 1940, went aboard the USS Haywood in Portland, Oregon, and I served 4 years on that ship. I was very proud of my military services. I wanted to make my family proud of me for being in the service and serving my country. And my grandson Matthew, Wagon Connect, goes to your school. Audrey and my granddaughters Audrey and Ellen Wagon Connect went to your school.